What's up, my good people? How y'all doing on this lovely Monday? First day of the week. But as days roll on in this journey called life, it's just another regular day to me. The older that you get, the more these days just seems normal. But it's up to the individual to make the best of his days and his times, though, you know? And let me start off by saying, if no one told you that you are loved, let me be the first to say, God of your understanding love you, and so do James Fisher. Now, back on subject matter again, which is human behavior. And human behavior refers to the way humans act and interact with one another. Some of the experts says if a person laughs too much, even at the stupidest things, he is really lonely deep inside. And if a person speaks less but speak fast, he keeps secrets. And if a person eats in an abnormal manner, he is tensed. And if a person sleeps a lot, it is known to be sadness. And but last but not least, I can go on and on, but last but not least, if a person becomes angry over the pettiest, slightest, smallest things, he needs love. So in other words, it's damn if you do, damn if you don't. People will always find fault no matter what you do out here in this journey called life. Don't take it too hard. We got to learn how to accept constructive criticism and keep on rolling with the punches, you know, because life goes on. Anyway, I have graduated. I will be doing less videos on Facebook, but more videos on a YouTube channel that I set up. So check me out on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. More will be revealed. Anyway, let me get back to my music because it's therapeutic. Listen! And I don't know what rights to this music. Always some controversy. Always controversy. As stated before in my little speech when I was giving today about damn if you do, damn if you don't. People are always gonna find something to talk about, or who did this and who did that, because the human body consists of gossip. Gossip, starting things in life just to get in where they fit in, because it's the status quo. In a minute. Controversy.